y'all know who it is. It's your boy Just Stunts. We are out here at Don Pollo Mexican Grill. This is a local restaurant we're gonna be checking out. I've already ordered, so I'm just waiting for my food now. See, we out here with the crew. Had a few people with us. So let's check it out. This will be Chow Time episode number 5. So let's get into it, man. I'm gonna wait till my food comes out. Check it out. It's in West Valley, Utah. Y'all see the area. Y'all see the sign. Make sure y'all come over here and check them out. Let me get back with y'all in a second. Peace.
No, I don't know what he did. He just did. And he lives all the way in fucking Savannah too.
Y'all know me. I keep it basic. Chicken and cheese quesadilla. That shit is fire. Don Pollo Mexican Grill.
What's up, y'all? We back. Just finished eating. That shit was fire. Definitely when we tried that restaurant again, their chicken was on point, fresh. You seen it right there being cooked on the grill. I didn't get a video inside because I didn't want to hook my GoPro, but that shit was fire. Y'all seen the plate. That shit was gas-a-roni. Get out a solid 8.5. Oh. But yeah, I want to thank y'all for tuning in, man, to another episode of Chow Time. I got to figure out where I'm going to be doing the next episode, but he's having a shitty day. Don Pollo. But thank you for tuning in to another episode of Chow Time, and until next time, man. Peace.